Last class of sympatholytic drug is alpha-adrenergic antagonist. Alpha-adrenergic antagonist lower blood pressure by keeping hormone norepinephrine from tightening the muscle in walls of smaller arteries and veins. As a result, vessels remain open and relaxed. This improves blood flow and lower blood pressure. They are used in combination with other drugs to treat high blood pressure and can also treat prostate gland enlargement and other related issues. Common side effects are dizziness, headache, pounding, heartbeat, and weakness. Drug in this class are given here. First drug is prazosin. Prazosin is a synthetic piperacin derivative and an alpha-1 adrenergic receptor inhibitor used primarily as an antihypertensive drug. Other related drugs are trazodone and doxazocin. They have different functional group over here and remaining part is same that are not given in syllabus. Next drug is phenoxybenzamine. Phenoxybenzamine is a non-selective, irreversible alpha blocker. It works by relaxing and widening blood vessels so that blood can flow very easily and lower in BP is observed. Structure is given over here. Next drug is phentolamine. It is a synthetic imidazole derivative. This is the imidazole ring given over here in this structure, which have alpha-adrenergic antagonist activity. As a competitive alpha-adrenergic antagonist, phentolamine bind with alpha-1 and alpha-2 receptors. As a result, decrease in peripheral vascular resistance and vasodilation is observed and lowering blood pressure is observed. Synthesis of phentolamine. Synthesis of phentolamine is started by using resorcinol as a starting material. Resorcinol react with 4-methyl-aniline give rise to 3,4-methyl-anilinophenol. It further react with this compound, that is 2-chloromethyl delta square imidazole hydrochloride, give rise to final compound. Closely observing this structure of phentolamine, we can find out from where these fragments comes. This section comes from this resorcinol. This second section comes from this aniline, and this third section, that is imidazolin ring, come from this imidazole compound. So we can easily divide this structure in three sections and can be helpful to rewrite this synthesis.